True moral integrity lies in being flawless in your thoughts. Everything else is loud and blatant posturing. Chapter 4 Song 4. Genuine moral integrity encompasses acts of kindness, compassion, and justice, but it transcends mere external display. It requires a heart that is untainted by selfishness, envy, or dishonesty. Thirukkural reminds us that those who engage in ostentatious displays of virtue are merely engaged in loud and blatant posturing. True moral integrity doesn't seek attention or validation. It is humble, sincere, and unaffected by the desire for recognition. A person with true moral integrity acts with quiet humility, guided by their unwavering commitment to goodness. They do what is right not for personal gain, but because it is inherent to their character. The Thirukkural encourages us to strive for flawless thoughts. It teaches us that by cultivating a mind free from malice, prejudice, and deceit, we can manifest true moral integrity in all aspects of our lives. Let us reflect upon these profound words from the Thirukkural. May they inspire us to seek moral integrity in our actions and the very essence of our thoughts, for that is where its true power lies. Thank you for joining us today to explore Thirukkural Chapter 4, Song 4. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will continue exploring this ancient text's profound wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural videos, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, keep striving for righteousness in all that you do.